Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing, well, the rest of Snowdin, and we're most likely going into the new area. So I'm excited to hop in, and let's begin. Okay. Okay. So from what I last remember, we have to go on the date or whatever with Papyrus, so, you know. Let's get right into it, shall we? Also, in the last video, I realized I was, like, quiet, so... yeah, I am. Hey. What is he doing? I mean, he did say he was gonna try to find him. So he walked around just to go back here? Oh. My brother goes out to eat, but recently he tried baking something. It was like a quince? I don't know what to pronounce that. But filled with a sugary, non-egg substance. How absurd. Aha! Interested in my food museum? Sorry. Reserved by Culinary Art Show. Half of the fridge is filled with containers all labeled spaghetti. The other half contains nothing but an empty bag of chips. Come on, Sans. I know that's you. Come on. Great fridge, isn't it? That's a trash can. Feel free to visit it any time. You touch the couch. No. You touch the couch. It makes a jangling sound. Feel a bunch of loose coins inside of the couch. You got 20G. Let's go. Welcome to my scenic house. Welcome to my scenic house, whatever. Enjoy and take your time. That's my room. If you finish looking around, we can go in and do whatever people do when they're on a date. Go inside? Yes. So, if you've ever seen anything, do you want to start the date? Take your time. I'll wait for you. That's the internet. I'm quite popular there. I'm just a dozen away from a double-digit follower count. That's not how you must be the negative Zen, bud. Of course, fame has a steep price. Until this troll has besides my online persona, always sending me bad puns in a goofy font. Hey, those are all the attacks I use on you. Great memories, huh? Seems like it was only yesterday. It was yesterday. It was. Even though it basically just happened. Well, maybe for you. That's my bed. If I ever get to the surface, I'd like to drive down a long highway. Wind in my hair, sun on my skin. Of course, that's just a dream. So instead, I cruise while I snooze. Papyrus, I don't know how to tell you this, but you don't have skin or hair. Okay, that's good enough. So okay, so this is pretty much same thing. Okay, dating start. Wait, what? Dating start. Here we are, on a date. I've actually never been done this before. On this before, whatever. But don't worry. You can't spell prepared without several letters from my name. I snagged an official dating rule book from the library. You did? We're ready to have a great time. Let's see. Step 1. Press the Control's X button for dating HUD. Wee! I feel so informed. I think we're ready for step 2. Step 2. Ask them on a date. Humor! I'm the great Papyrus! Will you go on a date? Whatever. Yes. Really? Wowee! Guess that means time for part 3. Step 3. Put on nice clothes to show you care. Wait a second. Wearing clothing? That bandage hanging off you. You're wearing clothing right now. Not only that, earlier today, you were also wearing clothing. No, could it be? You wanted to go on a date with me from the beginning. Definitely. No! You've played it all. You're way better at dating than I am. No, your dating power. Don't think you've bested me yet. I'm the great Papyrus. Never been at dating, and I never will. Of course you haven't, because you have a better one. I can easily keep up with you. You see, I too can wear clothing. In fact, I always wear my special clothing underneath my regular clothes. Just in case somebody happens to ask me on a date. Behold. Man, what do you think of my secret style? I love it. No! A genuine compliment? Oh, you're getting beaten. Get wrecked. However, you don't truly understand the hidden power of this outfit. Therefore, what you just said is invalid. This day won't accelerate any further unless you find my secret. But that won't happen. My hat. But wait, no way. Well then, you found my secret. I suppose I have no choice. It's a present just for you. this is, of course, spaghetti! That's what you're thinking, isn't it? Right. But, oh, so wrong. This ain't any plain old pasta. This is an artisan's work. Silken spaghetti finely aged with no oaken gas. Then cooked by me, Master Chef Papyrus. Human, it's time to end this. Therefore, no way this can go any further. What a passionate expression! You must really love my cooking. And oh my god. Expression to me. Maybe even more than I do. Oh! No! Let's go. I win. Human, it's clear now. You've been madly in love with me. Yes, I am. Everything you do, everything you say, it's all been for my sake. Human, I want you to be happy too. It's time to express my feelings. It's time that I told you, Papyrus. Boy. No! No, it's not, no. We're not taking this the wrong way. No. Boy, is it hot in here, or is it just me? Oh, shoot. Human, I'm sorry. I don't like the way you like me. Romantically, I mean, I tried very hard to. I thought that because you flirted me, that I was supposed to go on a date with you. And on the date, feelings through blossom forth. I would be to match your passion for me. But alas, the great Papyrus have failed. No, you have not. I feel just the same as before. And instead, by dating you, I have only drawn you deeper into your intense love for me. A dark prison of passion with no escape. Who could I have done this to my dear friend? No, Papyrus, don't worry about it. This is normal. No, wait, that's wrong. I can feel anything. I can't feel anything. Human, I'll help you through these trying times. I'll keep being your cool friend and act like this never happened. After all, you are very great. Could he even say the great void? Oh, sorry, the great wummy. It would be tragic to lose your friendship. So please, don't cry because I will kiss you. Because I don't even have lips. Finally, he has some nonsense. So finally, he has some sense in his brain. Not like some other people. Nonsense. And hey, someday you'll find someone as great as me. Oh no, that's not true. But I'll help you settle for the second best. Aw, it's over. Oh, and if you ever need to reach me, here's my phone number. You can call me anytime. Whatever. Oh, gotta go. Come on, man. I was just having fun. What's in here? The door is locked. Oh, come on, man. Well, I guess we gotta move on then. I don't want I don't want this to end. Come on. Let's just go to Grill Beast one more time. I want to say goodbye to Sans. Where's Sans? Is he not here? Okay. I guess we're moving on. What's this area? Sans! Waterfall. Okay. What? Haven't you seen a guy with 2 jobs before? Unfortunately, 2 jobs means twice as much legally required breaks. Oh my god. I'm going to Grubby's. Wanna come? Hell yeah. Well, if you insist, I'll pry myself away from my work. Over here. I know a shortcut. You know a short. Huh? Excuse me? You what? I. Fast shortcut, huh? Hey, everyone. Oh, hey, everyone. Just. Hey, Sans. Hi, Sans. Greetings, Sans. Hiya, Sansy. Hey, Sans. Weren't you just here for breakfast a few minutes ago? Nah, I haven't had breakfast in at least half an hour. You must be thinking of brunch. Very funny. Very funny, Sans. Very funny. Here, get comfy. Oops. Watch where you sit. Sometimes weirdos put whoopee cushions on the seats. Anyways, let's order. What do you want? Burger. I like burgers. Hey, that sounds pretty good. Ruby, we'll have a double order of burger. Okay. Is he using a comb? Even though he doesn't even have hair? Both of them are idiots! They're both idiots! So, what do you think of my brother? Very cool. He's very cool. Of course he's cool. You'd be cool too if you wore that outfit every day. You'd only take that thing off if he absolutely had to. Oh well, at least he washes it. And by that I mean he wears it in the shower. He wears it in the shower too? What is wrong with him? Here comes the grilled grub. Want some ketchup? Sure. Bon appetit. You tip the ketchup. The cap falls off. Come on. Whoops. I'm not gonna say that word. You can have mine. I'm not hungry anyway. Of course you aren't. Anyways, cool or not, you have to agree Papyrus tries real hard. Like how he keeps trying to be a part of the Royal Guard. Yes. One day, he went to the house of the head of the Royal Guard and begged her to let him in. Of course, she shut the door on him because it was midnight. But the next day, she woke up and saw him still waiting there. No, why? Why? Well, why? Seeing his dedication, she gave him a warrior training. It's still a working progress. Okay. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you something. Okay. Wait. Have you ever heard of a talking flower? Wait, what? I can't speak. So you know all about it. The echo flower. They're all over the marsh. Say something to them, and they'll repeat it over and over. What about it? Well, Papyrus told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes, when no one is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, predictions. Weird, huh? Someone must be using an echo flower to play a trick on him. I don't think it's a trick! I think that's Flowey! Keep an eye out, huh? Okay. Thanks. I'm never leaving Papyrus' side now. Flowey's trying to mess with my Papyrus. Welp. That was a long break. I can't believe I let you pull me away from my work that long. Come on, man. Oh, by the way, I'm flat broke. Can you foot the bill? Just kidding. Roby, put it on my tab. You need to pay it. By the way, I was going to say something, but I forgot. Come on, man. Well, I'm satisfied now. Let's go. I've never seen what's in here. It's locked from the inside. Okay. Nice. Wait. No. I was thinking I wanted to do so. I was thinking I wanted to do something, but I just decided not to. Okay. Waterfall. I think this is what the area is called. Okay. Wait, what's this thing? Never mind. What's down here? I'm so good. I swore I saw something behind that rushing water. Okay. I mean, I trust you. Wait, what? I'm so good at finding Easter eggs. What? Is that the guy the Royal Guardsman? Hi, I'm Dine. I'm here with my daily report. And my phone. Not my phone, but my controller fell. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding that human I called you earlier about. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, I of course did. I fought them violently. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard on 9, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human souls yourself. Human soul. Sorry. But 9, don't you have to destroy them, you see? You see? Uh, I understand. I'll help you in the way any way I can. No, no. Be quiet. Uh. Oh. 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 What? Yo. Oh wait. I do have a different accent for this character. It's that kid monster guy from earlier. Yo. Did you see that? No, why do I have Papyrus's accent? You did you see that way that she's staring at me? That was awesome. No, stop using Papyrus's accent. That was awesome, dude. I'm so jealous. No, please stop using Papyrus's accent. You're so jealous. What do you get her attention? Haha. Come on. Let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. I think I am the bad guy. Feeling a dread hangs over you. Okay. Oh, this place is literally called Waterfall. Oh, wait, what? Oh. I'm so smart. What is this gonna do? I built a path. Oh, fight. Flex. You flex. Oh, that increases attack, you know? No, ow. Shoo. You tell her to go away. Even if I keep flexing. Oh, that works. Oh, it has to have all four in order to work. Wait. Alright. Oh wait, I can do this, right? Oh, let's go! Wait. No. Okay. Ring. Hello! It's the This is Papyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every sequentially number until I got yours. So, what are you wearing? I'm just asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a gross bandage. Is that true? Are you wearing a gross bandage? Yes. So you're wearing a gross bandage. Got it. Wink, wink. Have a nice day. Is he? Hi. No! I got it, I got it! You look through the telescope. Or do you? Check wall. I want to continue looking around. Wait! Oh! Someone's helping me through this, since I did not... Is this like the path to the next area? Wait, so someone's helping me out through here. Who? No! I'm found! You can't get me! I'm too fast! No! Whoa! I'm gonna die. I don't have enough HP for this. No! Please! 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 Come on! No! Please, hide. Oh, God. Oh, no. No. No, please. No, I'm dead. I'm just dead. Oh. Mom. Let's continue. Oh, he's back. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me. No, please stop using prepared accent. I'm never washing my face ever again. Please wash your face. Man, you aren't lucky. If you're standing just a little bit to the left, yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. Oh, I don't want to see her again. She's gonna hurt me. It's gonna be I need to eat something. Wait, doesn't like save points heal me? Yes, okay. Hey, Sans. I think, it's telescope business. I'll use the telescope. Why is it all red? Sans, you little... Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. But, does he... What? I want some ice cream. Unfortunately, I've found a solution. Punch cards. Okay. I would like an ice cream. I'll take a little more. I want another. Okay, I have plenty of heals now. So, hold on. Do I turn them all off and then something happens? No, okay. Guess I'm moving on. Ring. Hello, this is Papyrus. Rainbow, when I asked about your clothing. Oh, my friend who wanted to know her opinion of you is very murdery. But I bet you knew that already. Because you knew that. I told her what you told me you were in. Go Spanish. Because I knew, of course. After such a suspicious question, you would obviously change your clothes. You're such a smart cookie. I know I am, Papyrus. You don't have to tell me twice. This way, you're safe, and I didn't lie. You'll betrayal anywhere. Being friends with anyone is easy. Sorry about that. I probably should have cut that out, but meh. Oh. Oh, I can spare him. I don't want to be mean. I don't want to be mean. I'm just gonna spare. No, wait, I didn't. I wanted to spare him. Ah, dang. Hopefully that didn't mess anything up. I just didn't want to hurt him. Please. 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 I need clean. I need clean. Clean. Please, send one in my direction. If it shoots out in the same area, I'll sit right here. And then flex. Flex. Okay. Flex again? Alright, nice. I should probably be moving. What am I doing? Oh, that almost hit me. That almost hit me. What is this? Oh my god. What? Onionson. Hi. You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here. Yeah, okay, I don't care. Yep. Okay. Hey, dance room. Whatever. Oh, this looks... Oh. Sorry, yeah. Come. Oh my god, I'm so good. No, it's this way. Huh. That's an umbrella. That's probably for an umbrella. Because I'm smart, you know. Play it. Hold on. Wait. I want to try something. That sounds cool. Ha. Okay. And the reason why I said umbrella is because, like, obviously this thing has rain on it in this specific area, so probably needs to be protected. And as I said, I'm just too smart. I'm just too smart. You know I'm smart. Yes. That's a nice tune. It kind of like what I was playing. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, up. So it was for the first thing up, right. Okay. No, wait, I messed it up. Let's go! I'm so good. What is this? It's a legendary artifact. Do you take it? You're carrying too many dogs. So, what? What? Doobie! What? 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 Okay. Okay, bud. Yes, I'll give you an umbrella. Well, stand under mine. You're not even under it! I'm dying yet, whatever. I don't care about you, kid. I just want to get through. Yes, cool flower. Epic. Yeah. Huh. Oh, this actually looks really good. Oh, look. Like the direct center. This is a good view. Anyways. Put the umbrella back. Yes. Step on. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I actually wish I talked to you. Dang. Bow, 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 bow. No, wait. Oh, I'm gonna die. No. No, okay. Stay focused. I got this. No! Run. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going. No! I got it! Down. No. Wait, what am I doing? This way. Ah, dang. Please. I can't open up my items here. No! No! I'm gonna die! Dang it! I know it's not that hard to dodge him, but when I was panicking. Don't lose hope. Woomy, stay determined. With a papyrus accent, because I literally can't stop. Okay, we got this. I believe. Yep. You showed me this before. Yep. How impatient this is getting to me. I want to keep moving! I want to keep moving! I want to keep moving, but it blocks me. Come on! No! Come on. No! Thought that was it. Wait. This is a dead end. No. What? Why am I just standing here? Run! Oh wait, I'm still in control. Never mind. Sorry about that. I'll just have to go for more. No, I'm cornered. I'm gonna run. What are you doing? Wait. No. Am I okay? I want to do like a high-pitched voice for this character. Or like a younger voice.
It sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Woomy, huh? That's a nice name. My name is...
What is your name? What is the name?
What is it?
We're in the water. Am I still low? I'm still low. Thank you, save point. Oh God. This seems... Oh, it's a dummy from earlier. I don't want to beat it up. Yes, it's a dummy. What? What? No! Talk. See much for conversation. Wait, I can hurt it. I can hurt it. But I don't feel like I should. Maybe I'll hurt it to a certain point, because Flyway did say if I hurt it to a certain point, that it would want me to spare it. No, I didn't want to use the butterscotch pie. Please, over here. I still don't want to use the fight button. So hit it. So, that one would have hit. There we go. There we go. Well, failures. You're all fired. Well, don't fire them. They're doing good. Your true power, huh? Please kill me. I didn't want to use the snow piece. Okay. I didn't want to use the snowman's piece. It cannot end now. Woomy, stay determined. Without the papyrus accent this time, because I actually paid attention. Actually, I think this is a good time to end it off. I hope you enjoyed. Like, sub, do whatever you want. And, we'll be going through the dummy next.